Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by, and I would love it if you would subscribe and become a member of our family. And if you subscribe, don't forget to hit that notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss any of my uploads. If you're a returning subscriber, you know I love you so much, okay? So what I have for you today is a Christmas Dollar Tree haul for 2021. They are still putting out such wonderful finds that I don't know. And I started off clean. I guarantee you that I was clean when I started, but hey, what can I say, all right? So let's hop into this Dollar Tree haul for 2021, all right? Okay, first of all, I believe they had these trees last year, but they have them again this year. Look at that snowy, cold tree. Love it. So I picked up 3 of these. You can do so much with these. Look at that luscious snow. Love them. And they're really tall. So I love that they brought these back. Okay. Then I picked up a set of these where they look like they've got snow on them. This one's a little taller. This one's short. 2 of these for $1. It's mind-blowing, okay? So I got 2 of the natural and then 2 of the white. Just looks so cold to me, okay? Then, look at these little boots. I love them. Oh my gosh, I think I'm gonna need a bigger tree in my bedroom. But look at these. Are these not the cutest little boots? Oh my gosh, they did an excellent job. Look at that rickrack along through there. The little pom-poms, all that little fur. So adorable. And you get 2 for $1. And look at this pattern. So cute. Looks like snowflakes. And then they had this pattern in the red and green with some white, and then this is the red and white. Look at these, how adorable they are. I just love them. So picked up 2 sets, okay? Then I have never seen a glue gun in my Dollar Tree before, ever, but they had it. Look at this, a glue gun. Crafter square, and it says hot melt glue gun. Right there it is. It runs on electric. I don't know how good this is. I'll have to give it a try. But they actually have glue guns now. At the Dollar Tree? I don't know. Okay, then I picked up 2 more of these larger snowflakes. You get 8 to a pack. You can do so much with these. Do not underestimate these. Then I saw these and I love them. Good tidings of comfort and joy with these little beads right here. I just love how pretty that is. You could remake these or leave them just as they are. Okay. And then they have this, Believe in the Magic of Christmas. So farmhouse looking. And I love those little beads, okay? Then I picked up 1 more set of these little figurines. Has the Santa, the snowman, and then this says, Welcome to the North Pole. It's like a little sign. So adorable, okay? Then I picked up this little sled. It comes in silver and red. That's the only colors I've seen. But I picked up the red. It is so sweet. Okay. Then I picked up one of these long boards here that has the jute twine. I just love Crafter Square wood. It is so awesome. Okay. And then I'm pretty sure they had these berries last year, but I went ahead and picked them up this year. Look at these beautiful red berries, and they look like they have snow or frost all over them. You get 16 to a pack. So I picked this one up. And I picked this up. That's just the plain dark red berries. Love them, okay? Then for our candy taste test, Melvin is going to be wearing this little Santa hat, and I thought it was so cute with the little snowflakes. And it sort of reminds me of these shoes. They really are starting to coordinate everything so nicely. And there's the little deer there. Okay, and then I picked up this sled here that says Merry Christmas with all the candy canes hanging, and Rudolph, I'm gonna call him Rudolph, and Santa with those trees. Look how pretty that is. They've had these before, okay? And then they've had this before too, but I got the blue that looks all snowy, and then I got the white, this mesh. And you get quite a bit if you look at it, okay? Then look what I found. They have this like porcelain snowman that you can paint. Look at all that dimension on there. His little scarf, even down to the tassels on his hat. And then in his hands, he's got a wreath right here. Look at that, so beautiful. Pick that up. Then they have Santa Claus. He's carrying a tree and looks like he's got a present right here. Just look at all that dimension, okay? Now this is different. I had never seen anything like this at Dollar Tree. Look at this. I thought this would be cute in my tiered tray year round, or maybe in the bathroom in that shelf, but look at that. How gorgeous. You could paint it, you could leave it alone. I think I'll probably paint mine. Okay. Then I picked up 2 more of these stars. They're so handy to have, okay? So I picked those up. Then I picked up some felt, just some white felt. And then they had these chargers, these buffalo check chargers. Now this has like a grayish putty, more like a putty color in there. But I thought they were really cute, so I picked up 4 of these. Love them. And then I picked up another one of these. And then they had these trucks back out again, so I was like, hey, might as well get them. So I picked up 2 of these. Can do so much with those. Then I picked up, I don't know if I'm going to use this or not, but it's an ice cube tray. I was thinking about doing something with it, but I don't know, we'll have to see. But it has bells, a double bell and a single bell. Thought that was really cute. And we needed a pencil sharpener, so I picked up, you get 2 for $1. I thought I would try this out. Then I picked up another one of these ribbons that have the tree and the snowflake. And then I picked up some paper straws. Really, I got them for the red. Don't think I'll use the blue, but they have it mixed, so I picked this up. And you get 34 straws to a pack. And then I picked up one of these little arrows. Have plans for it. Okay, and one more thing, and we are through, okay? Now, I picked up another infallible paint from L'Oreal, and this is Galactic Foil. I don't know. We'll see. We'll take a peek. I'll do a swatch for you and we'll see. Oh my. Oh, I don't think that's your girl either. Look at that. It's definitely galactic. But it is a brand name, so that is good. You can find brand names at the Dollar Tree, as we all know, okay? So that's everything that I found at the Dollar Tree for this week for Christmas 2021. I'm really, like I've said before, I'm loving going in and seeing what all I can find. I just go in there and I literally dig. You really have to find the good stuff. So If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out on YouTube. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and become a member of our family. And if you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss an upload. So I will see you Friday, I think, I'm not sure, for a Christmas decorate with me in my bedroom, the cabin theme. I really am looking forward to show you how I'm going to put everything together and what all else I found, because I found some other things that I have not hauled. I don't know. I have not that grand of big of a bedroom. It's just an average bedroom, so I can't pack it, but what I don't use in there will sprinkle through the house. So let me go get Maggie and let her say hi to you. Well, here is the baby, but she wants to show you her little haul that she found at TJ Maxx. This is going to be her little skirt and her sweater. Is that not adorable? Oh, and she knows it is hers. She is all over it. It's an extra small. See, I'm going to be so cute in my plaid. And then look at this. Too cute. And it has a little hat with a little pom-pom on the top. Do you like it? It's Maggie's. Yes, she knows it's hers. So, until next time, bye guys.